Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to clear lens data in the Snapchat app. First you have to open up the app, and here it opens up in the camera. From here we just go into the profile menu, then we go into settings. Here we scroll down and under privacy control we find lenses, and here we can clear local lens data, and then also we can clear all lens data. And yeah, if we want to proceed, we can just tap on clear, and it's going to clear this data, and we can do the same thing with local storage. And yeah, so that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.